Have we got a treat for you new Bronco owners today? We are going to take 5 minutes and install the new Rockslide Engineering double tray, double shelf to the back of this Bronco tailgate. Literally, if you have a drill with an 1/8" drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, Sharpie, you can do this. And for this install, we don't need no stinking hammer. Let's begin. Right there in the middle of that little area, we're gonna drill a hole. Now, we're gonna grab this guy, line him up, get him in position. I want it level. Now, you could have somebody help you with this, although when literally part of this is showing you how easy this actually is. The hardest part is going to be to line this up nice and straight. Mark your holes without bumping it. We're going to take it back off. Back to where this all started. I'm just putting them all in, not 100% tight. Give us a little wiggle room. There you go. Now you're ready to put your cook stove, your utensils, your tools. So there you go, you flip it up. This guy flips in like that. Magnetic catch at the bottom. There you have it. I've got a toolbox and some other stuff back here. It really only takes up maybe 1.5 inches width right there. Simply open the tailgate, pull out the sides, pull out the main tray, flip that tray down, you're ready to go. But there you guys go. These are in stock at Wild Horses, at least they are today. So check them out. And we'd be happy to get one on the shipping truck for you. Thanks for watching.